Here are the 5 things to note before using Chatgpt as a guide. Point 1. Don't treat it as absolute truth. Chatgpt is helpful, but it can sometimes be wrong or outdated. Always cross-check important facts, especially for health, money, legal, or travel decisions. Point 2. Ask clear questions. The quality of the answer depends on the question. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. Example, instead of "How do I grow on YouTube?" ask, "How can I grow a faceless YouTube channel in Europe?" Point 3. Use it as a helper, not a replacement. Chatgpt should guide your thinking, not replace your personal judgment, experience, or expert advice. Point 4. Protect your privacy. Avoid sharing sensitive details like .passwords, .bank details, .personal IDs, .private family information. Use it safely. Point 5. Take action on the advice. Information alone won't change anything. The real value comes when you apply the ideas consistently. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, comment, like and follow for more inspiring, educative and motivating content.